So this is my 2007 Jeep Wrangler X. Has a 3.8 liter V6 in it. I have a lot of upgrades to this. It has 109,000 miles. I'm the third owner. I bought it from a friend of mine who had it probably 50,000 miles. The girl who originally owned it never took it off-road, so it was a yuppie Jeep. So I'll go through all the upgrades that I've done with it. These tires I just put on this winter. They're General Grabber ATs. They're 35 12 50s on 17-inch rims, and they got less than, I would say, 200 or 300 miles on them. You see, still have all the markings on them. They are awesome in the snow and ice. Another thing I just recently did, I put all new Bilstein 5100 shocks. I replaced all the urethane bushings on the sway bar. Had the sway bar quick disconnects. These pull out, sway bars disconnect. Brand new heavy duty ball joints, greasable urethane bushings, brand new U-joints, brand new seals, the axle seals. I have less than 10,000 miles on the 488 Yukon gears, all new bearings, front and rear end, heavy duty tie rod. I have the Yeti heavy duty steering stabilizer, heavy duty track bar. These are both rated 250% stronger than the OEM. I put these new powder coated steel bumpers on. Brand new Smitty built 10,000 pound winch. Has a wireless controller or a wire, either one works flawlessly. I have synthetic rope. I have the light bar here. I installed an aftermarket oil cooler. You can see these are all JW speaker headlights, running lights, turn signals. Those lights alone were like over $700. They're the best lights you can buy. I put this Cargo Master rack on it. It's 2 inches, 1/8 of an inch thick. Got the catwalk on it for my rooftop tent, which is not going with this. These powder coated rock bars are not the cheapos. They're connected to the body mounts to the frame here. This Jeep has heavy duty drive shafts, aftermarket rear trailing arms that are adjustable. Aftermarket rear bumper, stock exhaust on it. It's super quiet. It's actually running right now. You can barely hear it. Very clean Jeep. My best upgrade was these Corbeau leather racing seats. They are extremely comfortable. They have heaters. There's high, there's off, there's low. Pretty much everything else is stock on the interior. I do have this accessory controller. It's wireless. First one controls the light bar, and there's 3 other connectors for that. Now I got these grab bars. I do have the rear seat. It is the hardtop with the T-tops. They still come off with the cage. Put these aftermarket latches on it. As you can see, the original color of this Jeep was red. That's why the interior is red and black, which I kind of like it. You can hear it running. It's very, very quiet, just the way I like it. I don't like loud exhaust, so I kept the exhaust system stock on it, real clean. Has a new alternator on it. I put a belt on not too long ago. It has the Optima yellow top battery. This battery is less than a year old. Well, actually, it's 2 years old. This Trigger 4 controller is for that wireless remote that I just showed you. I still have one 10 amp circuit and two 30 amp circuits left on this. And as you can see, this is also wireless. You can hook, there's an app you can load on your phone. You can control all these accessories with an app on your phone. And you see this thing's pretty clean. I mean, I do off-road it. You know, I don't do anything crazy. I have no rock crawling or nothing like that. I've always been scared of breaking something, so I just do trail riding and stuff, do backcountry camping. And this Jeep has been absolutely awesome. These two-door Jeeps with 35s are the ultimate off-road vehicle. The only reason I'm selling it, I'm upgrading to something else. I've had this for about 3 years. I bought it with 95,000 miles on it. It has 109 on it now. So do the math. That's how long I've had it, and I've taken care of it. It was taken care of before me. Oil changes every 5,000 miles. I only use Mobil 1 synthetic and Mobil 1 filters in my vehicles, either that or AMSOIL. Thing drives awesome, drives like a car, and just a great all-around vehicle. I'm gonna miss it. I had a lot of fun with this Jeep, and so will you.